So it's the second day of our whole Prague journey, and we have so many things to cover in our itinerary. So without further ado, first I'll meet you guys with the person who is like the youngest in our the group and also the smartest, who is actually handling all our itinerary and all our trips. So Arushi, what is the plan for the second day?
Uh, we are going to have a breakfast at Kavárna Obecní. It's a restaurant or a cafe inside the municipality center in Berlin. It is pretty old. I don't know, about 100 years. And then after that we'll go look at the Prague Palace, and after that to the Jewish quarters, and after that we have our lunch at either the Mistral Cafe, which is also iconic, or there's one other place which I don't remember right now, but we'll figure it out when we get there. And then in the evening we have to go to the lesser town, or the Malá Strana, where we're going to look at the Wallenstein Palace Gardens, the Vajorna Garden, which has peacocks, the Petra Tower, which is similar to the Eiffel Tower actually. It's an exact replica. And what else? Oh, we have to shop for souvenirs in the Malastrana. And then, if we have time left, we're gonna cover the museum that we forgot to cover yesterday. Yes, the Museum of Communism. And then we have to go to the beer gardens. And that's it.
And or Arushi, whatever she knows, she'll tell us that what we have got, and we just got our breads too.
Nutella pancakes with whipped cream.
Okay, and what is
Raspberry pancakes with whipped cream.
sorry, what?
Raspberry pancakes with whipped cream. Then Ayushi is eating an omelette with arugula and cherry tomatoes. Ritika is eating muesli with honey and fresh fruits. Ashutosh is eating French toast with baked peaches and some cream. I forgot.
And what's I am
I have no idea.
Eating some ham and cheese sandwich with sunny side up egg and roasted veg. Yes.
How's this? Arushi?
Lovely.
Lovely. अभी तक खाया नहीं. It's so good. I love it. So going forward with our breakfast, we have just reached Prague Castle, and we had actually had to hike for like 15 minutes to reach here. And apparently, the Prague Castle, there is a place where we can actually see the most beautiful panoramic view of the whole Prague city. And we just clicked that picture, and I have Ashutosh with me, and he'll be explaining about his experiences and what he knows about the castle. Yeah, Ashutosh, how you know, and what are your thoughts, and what do you know about the castle?
I mean, we're just entering, so again, this is again our first time at the castle. But apparently, it is one of the oldest and the largest castles in the history. Today, it serves as the official residence of President of Czech Republic. So here somewhere, we might sort of see the place where the current incumbent president resides. It has different things. I think old royal palace. It has a sort of cathedral as well. So it's pretty much like a city within city.
Yeah.
So it's quite fascinating.
Yeah.
And also like when you walk down the lane, I won't say down the lane, but it's like literally walking upwards. But it's like while you ascend, it gives that medieval
Yeah.
feel. I think.
Ah.
And it's really good. I think you should show this as well.
Yeah. Oh my god. Thank God I didn't stop my camera. I'll be just quiet and let you experience the beauty of the castle. just finished our trip to this Prague Castle, and then we went to. We almost hiked for a kilometer and went to this monastery. I don't know. There was a church, and for the monastery, it was a ticket. And then, we stopped to take some rest at the brewery, which is running around I think 1700, which got stopped, but recently, like in then 25 years back, it started again. So we didn't have the tickets for to enjoy the brewery and the process because they also does the tour. Even if not the tickets, they we need at least 1 day advance booking for that, and we couldn't do that. So we are going to see the Petrín Tower now. uh, but before that, look at the place, how quiet and beautiful this place is. So beautiful. And it started to like almost, although it's 2, but it started to like feel cold again. So it feels like that we are going on a mountain and trekking actually, because in India when you go on the mountain and start trekking, the temperature goes down. So the same way we are feeling right now, I am feeling right now here, whatever the name of the tower was is. And we don't like this at all, because first of all we have to get the tickets, and then we have to like, there is no lift, there are stairs to that floor. Like, Ashutosh, what is your response to this Petrín Tower?
I mean, it should have been free, I feel.
Yeah.
Because first of all, we have to walk. So I'm just like, not sure if we'll be able to walk that much. It's around 200, whatever, that's their currency. Yeah. So it would be like 800 rupees, Indian rupees, or 80 euros.
What?
Yeah.
209 गलत कह रहा है.
You can check there. It's written right there. For the people, that also, it's for people
8 euros.
aged-
खाले.
check करना.
200 euros is 8 euros.
हाँ वही, but
You said 80.
okay, I'm sorry. Just done.
8
no?
euros, that
Yeah.
is 800 rupees.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean the view from there would be definitely worth it, but it's just like it's not worth sort of I think 800 or 80 euros. Sorry, 8 euros. So yeah.
So this is the important, because the artist John Lennon was murdered in 1980, and then people are actually painted his expression here, and from then it become kind of a symbol of freedom of expression, where people just come and write their things. Is that Putin?
Yeah, Putin and Trump playing with a cow, which I think symbolizes either world or I think European Union. I'm not sure, but they're just like messing with the cow.
So there is this Putin and
Donald Trump.
Trump.
So you would see Putin at the tail of the cow,
Yeah.
and while like sort of Donald Trump trying to push the cow.
Yeah. So they are kind of playing with the world.
I think so. It symbolizes. If you see the color, if you see the patches, white patches, it seems like planet, like sort of
And there is-
personification. I can't say personification, but like symbolizing planet. And yeah, sort of there.
And this color is also blue.
Exactly,
Blue is
blue.
also kind of sky or something.
Yeah, that's what. No, so the sea I meant, like sea, and if you see white part, it looks like part of countries.
So we are almost done with our Prague trip. The last is left is the Charles Bridge, which we are going right now. But we have encountered with a So I don't know if you can see this in the camera or not, but we are almost ending our trip into this beautiful touristic, historical, colorful city, Prague, and we are ending our trip with our last destination, which is Charles Bridge, and this bridge is uniquely important in the touristic community and people because one of the important things which I know that the lamps are still like lighted manually. People like every night, every evening light the lamp manually. It is not electronically lighted. It is not electrified till now. So this is kind of a culture that people exercise in Prague, and this has kind of become one of the historical and touristic importance, and that's why people come here. And it is also very touristy because this provides one of the beautiful visuals. I'm not able to capture these visuals in this specific camera, but I'll try to record with my phone, provided my phone is battery is still available. And yeah, this is magnificently beautiful. Excuse me with my words, but that is how much I can pronounce. So yeah, with this, I say goodbye to Prague, and this was one of the most beautiful and I would say in the evening yesterday I was buying souvenirs from this city, and that made me kind of emotional because I was like never thought that I'll be here. Yesterday night also I was talking the same thing, but today it got me, and I became emotional because I was like in the childhood only I saw that Disneyland city. When I was visiting in the castle, it was all fine for me. But when I went to buy some souvenirs, one of the postcards was written as the Disneyland city, and then I realized, yeah, that was the Disneyland castle, and that made me kind of emotional. That in TV and in cartoons, we used to watch that Disneyland city and never realized that in one day, someday, I'll be witnessing on live, witnessing with my own eyes. And today I did that, and obviously I'm proud of I'm proud of my parents, and I'm proud for their support. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself because I showed so much effort though, so that I could like travel from a different part of the world to a different part of the world just to watch this beautiful, magnificent city and fulfill my dream. This is like I'm almost 30 years old, and this is one of the tick marks in life that I completed today, and it is making me emotional. So, yeah. Beautiful. Cannot say bye to this city, but I have to. And with this last bye, see you for this vlog.